Good morning, students. This is the lecture for class 4, subject English. This is the lecture of lesson 1, sentences. And this is the first lesson in your grammar book. And you have PC Ren's grammar book. So, this is lecture 1 and I am Deepthi over here to give the lecture. First of all, I will tell you the contents which we have discussed in this lesson. Which we are going to discuss are what is a sentence, how to rearrange words to make sentence, how to frame a sentence. Sentence क्या है, हम words को कैसे arrange करते हैं एक sentence बनाने के लिए, and how to frame a sentence, और हम एक sentence को कैसे frame करते हैं. From this lecture you came to know कि वाक्य क्या हैं और आप उसके बारे में यूज़ होने वाले रूल्स के बारे में भी जानेंगे कि आप एक सेंटेंस को कैसे बनाते हैं. Now the definition for the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Sentence जो है एक शब्दों का समूह है जिनका सही अर्थ निकलता है, पूर्ण अर्थ निकलता है. For example, I am a boy, मैं एक लड़का हूँ, you are a girl, तुम एक लड़की हो. The words in sentence should be placed in proper order to make sense. जो शब्द हैं वो सेंटेंस में इस तरह से रखे होने चाहिए, प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में इस तरीके से होने चाहिए कि उनका अर्थ निकले, तभी हम उनको सेंटेंस कह सकते हैं. For example, saw a snake eye. These are words, but they are not placed in a proper order and they doesn't make sense. The words are not making sense. So it is not a sentence. I saw a snake full stop. These words are making sense. So they are called. So these words, when adjoined, are making a sentence. I saw a snake. This is a sentence. Now, how to frame sentence? I am going to tell you कि आप sentence कैसे बनाएंगे. Subject plus verb. He is subject. Plays is verb. So this is a sentence. He plays. Subject plus verb plus object makes a sentence. Cows eat grass. So again this is a sentence. So I hope you came to know that how the sentence are framed, कि sentence कैसे बनाए जाते हैं. A sentence must begin with a capital letter. एक sentence की शुरुआत कैपिटल लेटर से होनी चाहिए. ends with full stop, उसके end में एक full stop आना चाहिए, या question mark या exclamation mark depending upon काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंस. ये सेंटेंस पे निर्भर करता है कि उसके अंत में फुल स्टॉप आएगा, क्वेश्चन मार्क आएगा या एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क आएगा. ये उस सेंटेंस पर निर्भर करता है. अ सेंटेंस मेक्स सेंस. सेंटेंस का कोई अर्थ निकलना चाहिए. ए सेंटेंस हैव सब्जेक्ट. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू, while framing a sentence, there is a subject when we are framing a subject. I have given you the structure, that is subject plus verb or subject plus verb plus object. So a sentence must have subject. Now homework time, exercise 1. So what you have to do in exercise 1, given below are the group of words, rearrange them to make sentence. नीचे कुछ शब्द दिए गए हैं, उनको आपको एक प्रॉपर सेंटेंस बनाना है. You have to add punctuation mark and capital letters whenever required. और आपको पंक्चुएशन मार्क के साथ साथ कैपिटल लेटर भी करना है जहाँ पर आवश्यकता होगी. One has been done for you. First, girl this well writes. The girl writes this well. Full stop. First letter is capital and in the end I put a full stop. So this is a sentence. B part. Girl ran little garden the into the. You have to frame a sentence. Ravi sapling little the planted. D part. We school to the go. Again you have to frame a sentence for the same. E part. Boy the sad is. You have to take care that you have to put punctuation mark also, and as well as first letter should be capital. These belongs to us. Balloons. So you have to make sentence from the group of words which are given over here. आपको इन शब्दों के समूह से वाक्य बनाने हैं. You have to do this work in your notebook carefully without making any mistake, because it has I have given you the explanation regarding it, that how you arrange the words. Now exercise 2. Underline the complete sentence. In each pair add full stop or question mark. One has been done for you. आपको जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उनमें से एक कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है. आपको कंप्लीट सेंटेंस को अंडरलाइन करना है फ्रॉम द गिवन पेयर एंड यू हैव टू पुट प्रॉपर पंक्चुएशन मार्क. One has been done for you. Now I am giving you the example. Sameer plants flower. Plants flower. So you have to see that subject should be there. The sentence makes sense. In the end, punctuation mark should be there. First letter should be capital. Now hope you are able to find out that in the pair, the first one is a complete sentence. So I underline it and I put a full stop over there. So this is a sentence. B part. Likes to read story books. Ruchi likes to read story book. Likes to read story book. Story book पढ़ना पसंद है. तो ये प्रॉपर मीनिंग नहीं निकल रहा है. अगला सेंटेंस. रुचि likes to read story books. Now C part. Paints picture. Riya paints picture. D part. A kind man. Hari is a kind man. Now E part. The bird hopes the bird. F part. Short paragraph. Can you write short paragraph? G part. Blue dress. Do you have a blue dress? So you have to put proper punctuation mark. The first letter should be capital and the sentence should have a particular meaning or it should make sense. So I hope you understand. You have to do this work in your notebook carefully, and I will come again in the next lecture. Thank you.